As the popularity of electric bicycles continues to soar, the market has witnessed significant advancements in technology and design. Among the various types available, folding e-bikes have gained immense attention for their portability and convenience. These compact two-wheelers provide a practical solution for urban commuters and adventure enthusiasts alike, allowing riders to navigate crowded streets, easily store their bikes, and enjoy the benefits of electric assistance. In 2023, the market will tease with impressive folding e-bike models combining sleek aesthetics, robust performance, and advanced features. This video will explore the top 5 best folding e-bikes in 2023, highlighting their key attributes, innovative designs, and unique capabilities. Whether you are a daily commuter looking for a versatile ride or an adventure seeker seeking a portable electric companion, these folding e-bikes will impress you with their cutting-edge technology and great functionality. Let's dive into the world of folding e-bikes and discover the finest options available in 2023. Velonton Cinch 2. If you are an adventure enthusiast looking for a versatile electric bike to seek thrilling off-road adventures or a convenient and eco-friendly urban commute, Velonton Cinch 2 is excellent. One of the standout features of the Velonton Cinch 2 is its robust motor. With a peak power output of 750 watts and sustained power of 500 watts, the 48-volt brushless hub motor delivers impressive acceleration and speeds of up to 20 miles per hour on the pedal assist. It is equipped with a 48-volt 14-ampere-hour removable internal lithium-ion battery. This e-bike offers a generous range of up to 55 miles on pedal assist and 22 miles on throttle mode. Plus, with the 48-volt 3-ampere fast charger, you can recharge your battery in 4 to 5 hours. The Velonton Cinch 2 is built to handle various terrains with ease. Its 60 and 61 single-butted aluminum alloy frame provides durability and stability, while the registered seed technologist Guide ML20 fork with a 45mm travel and lockout feature ensures a smooth and controlled ride. The 20x4-inch e-bike rated tires with gum sidewalls offer excellent traction and stability, allowing you to conquer any surface confidently. This e-bike has mechanical disc brakes, delivering reliable stopping power even in wet or challenging conditions. Additionally, the torque sensor and 8-speed rear derailleur enhance the riding experience, providing seamless shifting and responsive performance. Comfort is not compromised either. The Velonton Cinch 2 features an adjustable threadless stem and a saddle by Velo, ensuring a customized fit and comfortable riding position for riders of all sizes. With a weight limit of 300 pounds, this e-bike suits riders of varying sizes and weights. Priced at $1,799, the Velonton Cinch 2 offers exceptional value for its performance and features. ebike K6 Pro. If you are seeking a reliable and versatile electric folding bike that can take you on thrilling journeys while offering convenience and top-notch features, look no further than the ebike K6 Pro. Equipped with a powerful 1,000-watt high-speed brushless motor and a peak output of 1,200 watts, the K6 Pro delivers exhilarating performance. In a mere 1.6 seconds, you can reach up to 15 miles per hour, making every ride an exciting experience. With a range of 55 to 88 miles per charge and a total battery capacity of 1,200 watt-hours, the K6 Pro ensures you can enjoy long-distance trips without worrying about running out of power. Additionally, the K6 Pro boasts an Ingress Protection X4 water resistance rating, making it suitable for riding in heavy rain without compromising its electrical components. The multifunctional LCD provides essential information such as speed, battery capacity, odometer, and gear meter. It even features a USB charging port, enabling you to charge your phone on the go and stay connected throughout your adventures. With its half-twist throttle, the K6 Pro offers smooth acceleration, easy control, and improved safety. The 20x4-inch Kind all-terrain tires provide excellent traction and stability on various surfaces. The ergonomic adjustable saddle ensures a comfortable riding position, while the hydraulic disc brakes deliver reliable stopping power. The LED angelized headlight and bike flashing warning lights enhance visibility and safety, allowing you to ride confidently, day or night. The K6 Pro features a Shimano 8-speed gear shift, enabling effortless gear adjustments to conquer any terrain. Moreover, its large backrack offers ample storage space with a payload capacity of up to 200 pounds. Priced at $1,699, this folding electric bike is an excellent investment for enthusiasts and commuters. Haybike Tyson. The Haybike Tyson Folding E-Bike is revolutionizing how we commute and explore our surroundings. Equipped with a powerful 48-volt 15-amp-hour battery, the Haybike Tyson boasts a remarkable maximum range of 55 miles when using pedal assist. And when it's time to recharge, the fast charger, with its 48-volt 4-ampere output, takes only 4 to 5 hours to replenish the battery fully. The heart of this e-bike lies in its 750-watt brushless gear motor, providing ample power for a thrilling ride. With a top speed of 28 miles per hour, classified as Class 3, the Haybike Tyson ensures you can reach your destination swiftly and effortlessly. Thanks to its stepped 4G display, you can connect the bike to the Haybike app and enjoy advanced features. The anti-theft feature alerts your phone whenever the bike is moved, providing peace of mind. You can also remotely lock the bike via Bluetooth, adding an extra layer of security. The Haybike Tyson's 20x4-inch one-piece fat tires offer exceptional traction and stability, making it suitable for various terrains. Whether facing uphill challenges or craving a quick sprint, the pedal assist and throttle options allow you to handle any adventure easily. Safety is a top priority, and the Haybike Tyson delivers with its hydraulic disc brake system and suspension front fork. Weighing in at 77 pounds and supporting a maximum load of 400 pounds, the Haybike Tyson perfectly balances portability and strength. With a price tag of $1,599, it offers excellent value for money. Gozin Q7. Are you ready to take your cycling adventures to the next level? Look no further than the Gozin Q7, a powerful, feature-packed electric bike designed to handle even the most ambitious rides. At the heart of the Gozin Q7 is its 750-watt brushless hub motor, capable of delivering a peak power of 1,000 watts. With a maximum torque of 85 Nm, the Q7 provides the necessary power to tackle steep inclines and rough trails. One standout feature of the Q7 is its dual battery system. With an 864-watt-hour seat post battery and a 624-watt-hour top tube battery, this e-bike offers an impressive range. In pedal assist system mode, the Q7 can cover over 100 miles, while in full throttle mode, it can reach up to 55 miles. It has a rear suspension, ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride, even on bumpy surfaces. The adjustable front fork with lockout further enhances stability and control, allowing you to tackle challenging terrain confidently. Safety is paramount, and the Q7 delivers with its hydraulic brakes. These brakes provide superior stopping power, responding to the lightest touch and ensuring full stopping power in all weather conditions. The Shimano 7-speed cassette and throttle shifting system of the Q7 makes shifting gears a breeze. Keeping you informed and in control is the M5 LCD. This clear and accurate display provides essential data such as assistance level, speed, battery charge, and distance. Stay informed and make informed decisions to optimize your ride. The Gozin Q7 rides on 20x4-inch fat tires with a tread groove design, providing excellent handling and grip. Priced at $1,599, the Gozin Q7 offers exceptional value for its impressive specifications and features. Haybike Ranger S. Introducing the Haybike Ranger S, a versatile and powerful folding e-bike designed to enhance urban commuting and outdoor adventures. Equipped with a 750-watt brushless gear motor, the Haybike Ranger S delivers a thrilling riding experience with a maximum speed of 28 miles per hour. Its 48-volt 14.4 ampere-hour battery provides a remarkable range of up to 55 miles, ensuring you can go the distance without worrying about running out of power. With the 4-ampere charger, you can quickly recharge the battery in 3 to 4 hours, enabling you to get back on the road swiftly. The Haybike Ranger S is built for comfort and durability. It features front hydraulic suspension and brakes, providing a smooth and responsive ride even on rough terrains. The unibody tire construction ensures excellent traction and stability, enhancing your safety and control. With its Class 3 e-bike classification, the Haybike Ranger S offers pedal assist up to 28 miles per hour, allowing you to cruise through city streets or tackle challenging uphill climbs effortlessly. The Smart Health CD informs you about your speed, distance, battery life, and other essential ride data. Weighing only 72 pounds, this folding e-bike is easy to carry and store, making it an ideal space-saving solution for commuters and travelers. Its robust frame can support a maximum load of 400 pounds, ensuring versatility and accommodating riders of various sizes. Priced at $1,499, it is a worthwhile investment for those seeking a reliable, feature-packed e-bike. We hope you found it informative and helpful in your search for the perfect folding e-bike. Remember, all the product links can be found in the description below, so check them out for more details and pricing. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content and hit that notification bell to stay updated on the latest tech trends. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments section. Thank you for watching.